Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify for print on demand. This powerful combination lets you sell custom products without ever touching inventory. You can create unique designs, upload them to products, and have them printed and shipped directly to your customers. It's an excellent way to start an online business with minimal upfront investment and maximum flexibility. We will cover everything you need to know to get started today. First, you will need to set up your Shopify store. This involves creating an account and selecting a subscription plan, often starting with a free trial period of 3 days. Next, choose a theme that reflects your brand's aesthetic and customize it to your liking. You will also configure essential settings like shipping rates, payment gateways, and legal policies. This foundation is crucial for a professional and trustworthy online presence. Once your store is ready, the next step is integrating a print-on-demand app. Popular choices include Printful or Printify, offering hundreds of product options from t-shirts to mugs. Install your chosen app directly from the Shopify App Store and connect it to your store. Then, you can easily upload your designs, create product mockups, and set your retail prices. This integration automates the entire production and shipping process. With your products designed and integrated, it is time to launch and market your store. Set competitive prices, considering both your costs and desired profit margins. Utilize social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to reach potential customers. When an order comes in, your print-on-demand app automatically handles printing and shipping, leaving you free to focus on growing your brand. It is a streamlined process for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.